Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to apply for SHEIN Product Reviewer. Alright, let's begin. First, go to SHEIN.com and sign in or create an account. After signing in, click your profile icon and go to the Personal Center. Scroll down to Other Services and select My Free Trial. Here, you'll see your available free trial opportunities. When your review is approved, you earn 20 SHEIN points. And if it's rated as high quality, you get an additional 100 points, increasing your chance for more free trials. Next, go back to the Home tab and scroll to the In Progress section. Choose any product for a free trial, select your size, and fill in your delivery details, including your name and address. Once selected, you'll receive the product for free and must submit an honest review on the website. So that's basically how you can apply for SHEIN Product Reviewer. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.